Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video we have completed some exercises of chapter number 3, and now today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises. So for that you all take out your New Gems English Reader book and open chapter number 3, and the title of this chapter is Why Did Seema Fall? So dear student, in this story we have learned that how Seema falling down in her room for her bad habits. Okay student, that's the reason she always follow the bad habits. She never puts their toys, school bags, books in their proper place. So that's why she falling down. So student, let's do the exercises of this chapter. So first of all we have to open chapter number 3. So dear student, we have already completed the exercise A and B. So one more time we're going to recheck this exercise. So what will we do in this exercises? So student, there is an exercise A. We have to circle the correct words according to the sentence. So here is the first stage. Seema has a big or small room. So which type of room that Seema has? So student, Seema's room is small. So we have to circle the given word small. What is the spelling of small? S-M-A-L-L, small. Now the second is the bed cover is red or blue. So tell me what's the color of bed cover in Seema's room? So the bed cover is blue. So we have to circle the given word blue. And the spelling of blue is B-L-U-E, blue. Okay student. Third is Seema's room is untidy or clean. So which one is correct option? So the given word untidy is correct. So we have to circle the word untidy. What is spelling of untidy? U-N-T-I-D-Y, untidy. Okay student. Now after this, next is number 4. One shoes is on the, so here are two options, bed and chair. So tell me which one is correct. So here's the given word chair is correct. So in number 4 we have to circle the word chair. What is the spelling of chair? C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay student. Now the fifth is Seema has many or few toys. So tell me, Seema has many or few? So we all know that Seema has many toys. So we have to circle the given words many. Okay student. So like this we have to complete the exercise A. Now next is Seema runs into the room. What happens next? Number the sentences. So student, we have to write numbers according to the things happening. So first of all, there is a number 1 is she trips on her bag and falls. Second is she hurts her elbow, and third is she starts crying. So like this we have to mention number according to the sentences, that what happens. Okay. Now come to the next. The third is exercise C, answer this question. So dear student, for this you all take out your notebook and mention date of today, because you have to note down this question answer in your notebook with a good handwriting. So let's start. So dear student, there is total 5 questions. First of all we have to read this given question. So there is a question number 1 is which color are the curtains in Seema's room? Second question is where is the Seema's school bag? Third is where are Seema's books? Fourth is how many toy cars does Seema have? And fifth one is where is the teddy? So let's start the writing of this question answer in notebook. So dear student, first of all you have to write question number 1, that is which color are the curtains in Seema's room? Which color are the curtains in Seema's room? So student, the answer will be the curtains are blue. The curtains are blue in Seema's room. The curtains are blue in Seema's room. Okay student. Now the second question is, question number 2, where is Seema's school bag? Where is Seema's school bag? So students, answer will be Seema's school bag is on the floor. Student, what is spelling of floor? F-L-O-O-R, floor. Okay. So Seema's school bag is on the floor. Now the next question is question number 3. So you have to write question, where are Seema's books? Where are Seema's books? So student, we have to write the answer, that is Seema's books are lying on the bed. Seema's books are lying on the bed. Okay. Now the next question is question number 4, that is, how many toy cars does Seema have? How many toy cars does Seema have? So student, tell me, how many toy cars does Seema have? Do you know that? Yes. We have learned in the story that Seema have 4 toy cars. Seema has 4 toy cars. So we have to write answer, that is Seema has 4 toy cars. Okay. Now the next one is number 5. Where is the teddy? Student, tell me, what's the place of teddy in Seema's room? Do you know that? The teddy is in the bookshelf. Where is the teddy in Seema's room? So the teddy is in the bookshelf. Okay student, you have to write the answer, the teddy is in the bookshelf. So like this you have to complete this exercise C in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, one more time we are going to recheck this question answer. So there is a first question is, which color are the curtains in Seema's room? So we have to write answer that the curtains are blue in Seema's room. Okay. Second question is, where is Seema's school bag? So we have to write answer, Seema's school bag is on the floor. Third question is, where are Seema's books? Where are Seema's books? So student, we have to write answer that Seema's school bags are lying on the bed. Number 4 is, how many toy cars does Seema have? So we have to write answer that Seema has 4 toy cars. Now the last one is number 5th, where is the teddy? So we have to write answer that the teddy is in the bookshelf. Student, tell me what the spelling of bookshelf? The spelling of bookshelf is B-O-O-K book S-H-E-L self. B-O-O-K book S-H-E-L-F self, book self. So like this you have to complete this exercise C in your notebook. Okay student, now moving to the next exercise that is given on page number 20. So student, on page number 20 there is a exercise D, and student, what will we do in exercise D? So first of all we have to read this exercise, that write the opposite of these words. Use words from the box. So student, here we have to write the opposite of the given words, and we have to choose the word from the box. Here are some words are given in the box, so we have to write the correct opposite words of the given word. Okay students, so there is a first is above. First word is above, and the opposite of above is below. Okay, opposite of above is below. So first is already done for you, so we will start from second. So the second is dirty. The second word is dirty. So student, tell me what's the opposite of dirty? As you all know that Seema's room is untidy, and the meaning of untidy is dirty. Here we have to write the opposite of dirty. So tell me what the opposite of dirty. So student, we have to choose the word from the box. Here is the first, below have already done. We have to take in. So we have to write here the opposite of dirty is clean. So what the spelling of clean? C-L-E-A-N, clean. So we have to note down the spelling of clean on the given blanks. Okay student. Now moving to the next, third, that is laugh. Okay. So student, tell me what's the opposite of laugh? So tell me, the opposite of laugh is cry. When Seema got hurt, so that time she starts crying. Okay. And when we feel happy, when we feel very happy, so that time we are laughing. So here is the word laugh. So we have to write the opposite of laugh, that is cry, and the spelling of cry is given in the box, that is C-R-Y, cry. So we have to note down the spelling of cry on the given blanks. Now the fourth is over. Fourth word is over. So tell me what the opposite of over. So student, the opposite of over is under, and the spelling of under is U-N-D-E-R, under. So we have to note down this spelling on the given blanks. So like this we have to complete this exercise D. Okay student, after completing exercise D, we are moving to the next, that is exercise E. So what will we do in this exercise? So student, first of all, we have to read the given heading. So in this exercise, the words blackboard is made from the two words like black and board. Student, in a blackboard we have found the two words. That first word is black and other is board. When we join this word, it becomes blackboard. Okay, so look at the examples and make new words. Choose words from the clouds. So student, in this clouds you can see there is some words and we have to choose word from the clouds, and after that we have to write down on the given blanks, and after this we have to make them and write a new words. Okay, when we join these words and after that which word we found, we have to write on the given blanks. So student, let's do it. First examples are given for you. That there is a book plus self, it becomes book self. Book plus self equal to book self. So like this, bed bed plus, so which word we have to write on the given blanks? So we have to choose the word cover. So when we write cover, so it becomes bed plus cover equal to bed cover. The spelling of bed cover is bed bed, cover, cover, bed cover. Third word is news. So which word we have to join in this word? So we have to join paper. Okay, we have to join paper, so it will be newspaper. News plus paper equal to newspaper, and the spelling of newspaper is newspaper, paper, newspaper. Fourth word is Suj. Fourth word is Suj plus, so what will be write on the given blanks? Which word we have to join? We have to join the given word less. So less. Okay, so it will be so less. SHOELACE. So less. Okay students, so like this we have to complete this exercise E, and also you have to learn it, that how could we make a new word to join two words. Okay, so dear student, that's it for today. Now the next remaining exercises I will explain in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.